Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is very exciting for me because the long-awaited product that I've just bought recently from Kickstarter has come. Is the Keychron K8. So this is the Keychron new series, the K8 that I purchased. This is the what is it? RGB backlight aluminum red switch, and it's hot swappable. Actually I bought two, but the second one I sold to another guy, so good for him. So after long waited about 1.5 months, I guess. It's very slick, very clean, and very satisfying to see. You see, this is the Keychron K8 right here, and also backside you can see there's a lot of feature right here, and we're gonna unbox it. Maybe torch, guys. Let's see right here, and what's gonna be look like. Okay, nice. Gonna put it right here, and they include this foam right here, which is nice, and we gotta open it. Okay, right off the box we've got some instruction manual right here. Oh wow, what is this? The Keychron, make sure switch pin are straight before inserting switch in, so make sure your switch inserting the hot swappable key is not, what is it, twisted or whatever. Okay, right here you can see they included, because this is the Kickstarter version, they already included with the braided cable right here, which is nice and it's very slick right here. And they also include some the hot swappable key right here. They also give us the, what is it, the keycap remover right here, which is very neat, because also this is the Kickstarter version, so if you bought it now you didn't get this one, and also the braided cable. I don't know they're gonna include the braided cable or not in a new if you purchase outside Kickstarter, but this is the Kickstarter version. Okay, and this is the main baby. Ooh. Oh wow, you know, this is a very satisfying product when I hold it. It's very rigid and very, what is it, there's a weight right here. I think when I'm holding this about a half kilo, I think, maybe more or less. And there's another one, I don't know, this is the user guide. That's it. I think this one, oh okay, so this is like a manual, I think, the carabiner, sharp carrier, and okay, this is some tutorial that mostly Keychron use. We're gonna see the, okay, they included with the plastic cover, which is nice, so it doesn't get switch on when shipping. And gonna go, wow, oh my god, oh, okay, just let me type it first. Damn, this is oh my god, you see that? You hear it? You hear it? It's very, oh my god. This is the red version, the RGB red version. So it's not quite clicky, and it's quite sleek, Besides, I'm using right now the brown switch from Razer, and what can I tell? The Razer one, the brown one's more clicky beside this one, and it is feel much better. I can feel I can type with this every time I'm in work. So there's a keyboard riser. This feel much more nicer when we click it. At the first time I think I'm gonna sell it, but after I'm using it, I don't know I'm gonna sell it or not. It is very beautiful, very slick, and it's enjoyable clicking experience. What I can say, And also right in the left we get this button and IO. We get this input output, and yeah, this is the USB-C. I think yeah, this is they include the USB-C, and also this is what is it? So we can connect this with the Bluetooth and also with cable itself. It also integrated with iPhone, so you can type on your iPhone with this thing, which is great. The last one is for if you want Bluetooth or cable, so make sure you choose the right connection. If you want Bluetooth, you can switch to cable or you can switch to Bluetooth. And let me see for the second button. I believe this Windows or Android, Mac OS. Okay, even though you already switched to cable or Bluetooth, which is the last one right here, you must also switch which one you want to use. It is for Android PC, or for this one, will be iOS device. So pick one of those when you start typing. I think I'm gonna change my Razer keyboard with this one, because I don't know, this is very enjoyable to click. What can I say? And this one is giving much better experience, I think, and much more better price. And the aluminum body is very. If you purchase the aluminum body, I think this is quite great build. I love this one. I like this. Now let's see. We're gonna typing it on my maybe the phone right here. Oh, okay. Is it? No, it's not my camera. For 4 seconds and pair with device name. Okay, we're gonna FN1. Okay. Okay, there we go. We see the Keychron right here, Keychron K8. We're gonna connect it. So we need to press the FN1 to connect to the phone, and also maybe you want to connect it to your laptop. We're gonna try to change the lighting effect. Okay, oh, very nice. So let's gonna see this. This is the lighting effect. What you're gonna get. Okay, this is RGB. I don't know. We're gonna set it this breathable mode, I guess. And this is one. This is for the wave. And this one. There's so much color right here. So much, and the color is quite great. It's oh, nice. You know, this is quite great. It's a great one. I love the color. I like the color. And this is one for the white. White still okay with me. And this is like a candy crush. I mean, the color is quite great, even though it's not quite bright, but it's subtle, but it's kind of nice and neat, you know. Okay, the Keychron K8 is already connected, and we're gonna try to type on notes, I guess. Okay, I'm trying right here. Oh, okay. And you see it right here. I'm gonna type it. Testing episode 9. You see? It's quite great experience typing with this. So great, so wonderful doing with this keyboard. I love it so much. I'm gonna use it. I'm thinking, yes, I'm gonna change the Razer keyboard for this one. It's very slick and very lovable. Okay, that's all the review for the Keychron K8. And yes, this is a great keyboard, and I think I will suggest this people to purchase this one, because beside the K2, I like the K2. Don't get me wrong, but I don't quite like. Not quite like, but there's no space right here, and sometimes people they must see right direct to keyboard. That's the button, and there's no separation for people to rub on it, I think. And I think this keyboard fill the gap between K2 lover, so maybe they want their gap, and they want to feel there's a gap, so they didn't typing on the wrong key. And I think this this is a great one, small and compact. Okay guys, that's it about the review for the Keychron K8, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this on the future video. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.